Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jared, and this is my channel, Mazda B3K. In this video, it's going to be another 5-minute fix, and I promise this one will actually be 5 minutes or less. And that is, we're going to switch out the air filter on my Echo CS-590 Timberwolf. I've had the saw about 5 years, and it occurred to me I've never changed the air filter. I might need to do that, so let's go do it. Alright, so let's get this air filter changed. On an Echo CS-590, this is a very straightforward procedure. It's actually toolless, which is very cool. Just loosen this knob, and when it is fully loose, it reveals the air filter. Slide the air filter off. Marvel at how disgusting it is and slap yourself for not changing it out. And grab your new one. So today's flavor is Engine Run. It is a Taiwanese company. Taiwanese stuff is not bad. I do avoid Chinesium though when I can because, well, it's Chinesium. Not great. And I actually lived in China for 4.5 years, so I actually do have a little bit of knowledge and authority on that. That's not just repeating what I heard on the grapevine, so to speak. Alright, that's interesting. It sounds like there is a flapper or something in here. Okay, there's one in here too. Alright. So here's a new one. Slides right in. Just like that. Take your cover, you're going to line it up on this post. Screw it in. Till you're snug. And that's it. You are done. Alright guys, see, I did it. I actually kept the 5-minute fix video under 5 minutes. I can do time management. Sometimes. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, replacing the air filter on your Echo CS-590 Timberwolf. Please leave me a comment. If you've got something to say, something to add to the knowledge base. You guys have been great on other videos, adding some things that you found in your videos that helped, watching my videos to do your repairs that helped you that maybe I didn't cover or I didn't come across. So please do leave comments. That helps us all when you leave a quality comment that shares a little bit of extra knowledge. Please also like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. What's kind of happening right now in my videos is I'm getting a ton of watch. I'll hit the watch metrics for monetization this year, but subscribing is definitely kind of coming along slow. So if you feel that this video or any of the other videos I've done really contributed to you being able to do things by yourself and not have to rely on somebody else to get it done, please subscribe. I release new content every week. And remember, I make the mistakes so you don't have to. I'll see you guys next episode.